Have you ever witnessed anything like this? Look at the flowers. So there are huge number of trees, flower trees. I do not actually know what they called or what are their names, but especially when I visit somewhere, visit some places, I do not try to miss the chance to be embraced with natural beauty. So today, as we have come here, Norshingdi, Parusbai, if you could show all the beautiful places just by your camera. So this is absolutely mesmerizing scenario. When you go somewhere, you should try to visit and explore some beautiful places, natural beautiful places. This is what I expect, and it was beyond my expectation, So this is mesmerizing in my eyes, and I feel like I'm in a heaven because in Dhaka city it would be quite difficult. It is quite tough to embrace the natural beauty as well as this kind of flowers, but I did it perfectly. Thank you so much for voting. I think when you will go outside, you won't miss such kind of pleasure to catch as well as to make some great memories. Thank you.